Friends, do you know how you can get MS Office completely free and in a legitimate way? Whether you work in an office, run a business, teach, or study, if you have a computer, you definitely need MS Office. We all use MS Office for something or the other on our PCs. But let's be honest, buying the MS Office suite isn't affordable for everyone. So, what do we usually do? We try to find some workaround or jugaad, right? But today, you won't need any jugaad because I'm going to show you a genuine way to download and install the latest version of MS Office, Office 2024, directly from Microsoft's website. And guess what? You can activate it for a lifetime, absolutely free. This activation is 100% legit, and you won't need to apply any cracks or patches. So why wait? Let's dive into today's video and get your Microsoft Office activated for free. Hey guys. So, first things first, if you have any old version of MS Office installed on your PC, go ahead and uninstall it through the control panel and then restart your computer. Next up, open your browser and type in Office Deployment Tool 2024. Click on the first link that shows up. You'll see a download tab there. Click it and download the tool. I'm saving it on my desktop, but you can save it wherever you like. Just don't get confused later. Now right-click on the tool and select Run as Administrator. Click Continue on the next window that pops up. Now, choose where you want to extract the files. Pick your local disk, probably the C drive. Create a new folder here. Name it something easy to remember. I'll call mine MS Office 2024. Click OK to select the folder. The files will be extracted successfully. That means everything's in that folder now. Keep that folder open. Now we need to find that folder again. Just keep it open. Now we need to find that folder again. Just keep it open. Now open Notepad. Go back to your browser and search for commercial preview of MS Office LTSC. Click on the first link you see. Now click Install on that page. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find a link that says Install Office Commercial Preview LTSC using Deployment Tool. Click on that. Scroll down, and you'll see some lines of text in a box. Copy them, paste them into Notepad. Now we need to edit those lines a bit. You'll see some configurations for Visio Pro and Project Pro, but we don't need those. So, delete everything from product at the top to the end of product at the bottom. Make sure to bring the add line back up. Don't close the notepad yet. Now go back to that website where we copied the code from. Scroll down and you'll see some product keys listed. There's a B down below as well. Copy any one of them. I'll just go with the first one. Now, go back to Notepad. Find the line with PID key Navirates in it. Select that and replace it with the product key you just copied. Make sure to keep the quotation marks at the start and end. Save this file in the folder where we extracted the files earlier. Select all files. Name it something like Office 2024 XML and save it. You can check if the file is there. Now, open a new notepad. Go back to the web page where we copied the code earlier. Scroll up a bit and you'll see a console command. Copy that and paste it into Notepad. Now, where it says configuration in the console command, replace that with the name of the XML file we just saved, Office 2024.xml. Minimize Notepad. Now, open CMD as an administrator. Type CD and hit space. Go to the folder where we extracted the files. Copy its path. And paste it into CMD. Hit enter. When the path shows up, go back to Notepad, copy the console command we just edited and paste it into CMD. Hit enter. You should see Office start downloading. This will take a while, so just hang tight. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified when I post more videos like this. You're all set now. Office 2024 is installed. Let's Let's open Word and check it out. Looks like my account is logged in here. It's not activated yet, which means the key we used didn't work. No worries. Let's go back to the website. Scroll down and copy the second key. Click on Change Product Key and paste the new one. Click Activate. The key should work now. Let's check it again. Close this. Open Word again. You'll see a pop-up window. Choose to activate the software over the internet. Click Next. And boom, MS Office 2024 is activated. I hope you found this video helpful. If you run into any problems, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel before you go, guys. See you in the next one. Take care.